In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Chatgpt oops, an error occurred issue in just 5 minutes. We all know how frustrating it can be to encounter this error when you're in the middle of an important task or conversation with the AI. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some straightforward solutions that can help you get back on track swiftly and efficiently. First, let's start by opening Chatgpt. This might sound obvious, but making sure your application or web platform is open is the very first step to troubleshooting. Once you have your interface up and running, the next thing you'll want to do is refresh the page. Head over to the top left corner of your browser and click the refresh button. A simple refresh can sometimes solve the issue by reloading the page, which often resolves temporary errors. Once you've refreshed, take a moment to ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable. A glitchy connection can often be the culprit behind such errors, and ensuring steady internet access is vital for seamless operations of AI models like ChatGPT. Double-check your network status to ensure everything is working smoothly. If your connection is stable, but the error persists, consider shortening your prompt. A lengthy or complex query can sometimes overwhelm the system, so simplifying or breaking it down into smaller parts may help. This not only makes it easier for ChatGPT to process your request, but can also prevent potential errors. Before you proceed, it's wise to copy any important text you currently have in your chat. Just in case you need to refresh again or make further adjustments, you won't lose critical information. Once you've got your important data copied, navigate to the option labeled Plus New Chat to start fresh. Now, paste your question back into the new chat window and resend it. More often than not, this straightforward method of starting over can bypass whatever issue was causing the error in the first place. If you're still facing problems, logging out and back in might do the trick. This can refresh your session and clear any temporary glitches in your login state. Should the issue persist after taking these steps, try disabling any browser extensions. Sometimes extensions can interfere with how web applications like ChatGPT function, so turning them off temporarily might solve the problem. Finally, it's a good idea to check the OpenAI server status. If there's a larger server issue, it's possible the problem isn't on your end. A quick server check can help you pinpoint whether or not the error is due to ongoing maintenance or technical difficulties on OpenAI's side. With these steps, you should be well equipped to tackle the oops, an error occurred message and get back to using ChatGPT effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips were helpful. Remember, troubleshooting can sometimes require patience, but more often than not, a simple tweak or check can solve the problem.